How to install a SIM card in the OSI Wi-Fi smart home security system. First, unplug the power adapter and set the backup battery to the off position. Unlock the SIM card holder by sliding it to the left. Lift the SIM card holder up so you can insert the SIM card. Before you insert the SIM card, ensure that the cut edge of the SIM card matches with the SIM card holder edge to ensure that they are correctly aligned. The SIM card will be inserted into this slot. Gently insert the SIM card into the SIM card holder. Slide SIM card holder to the right to lock into place. Turn the backup battery switch to the on position. Slide the back panel back on. Plug the power adapter back into the electrical outlet. When the alarm system restarts, within 30 seconds you should see the cell phone bars appear on the top left corner. The OSI Wireless Wi-Fi Smart Home Security System is now ready to use the SIM card features.
Well, we hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please give us a big thumbs up. If you have any questions, just drop us a comment below. And if you want to see more videos, don't forget to subscribe. All the products that you see on our channel are available with free shipping at osigodirect.com or amazon.com. Those links are provided in the description below. My name is Brandon Paris, and thank you for watching.